You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this plant that produces a sugar substitute. We'll be looking at how to say more names like this one. Many get confused by food names as well, names of chemical compounds and beyond. So let's break down the pronunciation. Stevia is how it's pronounced. So you have a st sound, a v sound, and an a sound or a sound. Stress on the first syllable, 3 syllables overall. Stress on the st. Stevia. It's easy. Stevia. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. Oh, sorry, wrong slide here. Yeah, more videos here for you. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.